Cherries are among the most cherished fruits across the globe, known for their juicy texture, vibrant color, and sweet or tart flavor. Whether it's a fresh handful enjoyed in the summer or a rich cherry pie baked in winter, cherries hold a unique place in American agriculture and consumer hearts. In the United States, cherry farming is not just a seasonal indulgence, it's a multi-billion-dollar industry involving state-of-the-art machinery, meticulous planning, and thousands of dedicated farmers and workers. Every year, millions of tons of cherries are harvested and processed through an intricate chain that stretches from orchard to factory and finally to the tables of consumers around the world. This video explores the entire journey of how these millions of tons are grown, harvested, processed, and distributed across the country and beyond. The importance of cherry farming in the United States. The United States is one of the world's largest producers and exporters of cherries. The cherry industry significantly contributes to the national agricultural economy, especially in key producing states like Washington, California, Oregon, and Michigan. These states are known for their unique climatic conditions that favor cherry cultivation. U.S. cherry production is broadly divided into two types, sweet cherries and tart cherries. Sweet cherries such as Bing, Rainier, and Chillin are primarily grown for fresh consumption and are often seen in supermarkets across the country during cherry season. These cherries are large, plump, and sweet in flavor, making them ideal for snacking and direct sales. On the other hand, tart cherries, most notably the Montmorency variety, are grown mostly in Michigan. These cherries are smaller, more acidic, and are rarely consumed fresh. Instead, they are processed into juices, pie fillings, dried fruits, and other culinary products. Sweet cherry production in the U.S. averages over 300,000 tons annually, while tart cherry production averages around 150,000 tons. Washington state alone contributes over 60% of the nation's sweet cherry harvests, solidifying its reputation as the cherry capital of the United States. Cherry orchards, where the journey begins. Cherry production begins in the orchards, where thousands of acres are dedicated to cherry trees carefully spaced and planted in neat rows. These orchards are often located in regions with cool winters and dry summers, which are ideal conditions for cherry cultivation. Cherry trees typically start bearing fruit about 4 to 5 years after planting and reach peak productivity after 7 years. Farmers must take great care in pruning the trees regularly to maintain their shape, health, and productivity. Pruning also ensures that the fruit receives adequate sunlight and air circulation, which is essential for healthy growth and disease prevention. Pollination is a crucial phase in cherry farming. Most cherry trees are not self-pollinating, meaning they require cross-pollination from other cherry varieties to produce fruit. To facilitate this, farmers introduce beehives into their orchards during the bloom period. Bees help transfer pollen between blossoms, ensuring that fruit sets properly. The timing of bloom is critical, as any late spring frost can damage the blossoms and significantly reduce the yield. Farmers use various methods, including wind machines and frost protection systems, to protect the trees during this vulnerable period. Once pollination is successful and the fruit begins to grow, it takes about 2 to 3 months for cherries to reach full ripeness depending on the variety and location. The cherry harvest, a race against time. The harvest season for cherries is remarkably short, typically lasting from late May to early August, depending on the region and the type of cherry. Unlike some fruits that continue to ripen after being picked, cherries must be harvested at peak ripeness. This makes the harvest a race against time, as delays can lead to overripe or spoiled fruit. Harvesting sweet cherries is a delicate process. For cherries destined for the fresh market, hand picking is the preferred method. Workers carefully remove each cherry with its stem intact to prevent bruising and to extend shelf life. They wear harness baskets or buckets to collect the fruit and use ladders to reach higher branches. Hand picking is labor-intensive and time-consuming, but it ensures the highest quality cherries for fresh consumption. For tart cherries, which are primarily processed into other products, mechanical harvesting is commonly used. Mechanical shakers are positioned at the base of the tree and gently shake the trunk, causing ripe cherries to fall into large canvas catchers or conveyor belts. This method can harvest an entire tree in less than a minute, making it incredibly efficient. However, because mechanical harvesting can bruise the fruit, it is mostly used for cherries that will be canned, frozen, or juiced, where appearance is less critical. Once harvested, cherries are placed into bins or water tanks to preserve freshness and transported quickly to cooling stations. Transportation and initial processing. After cherries are harvested, they must be cooled as quickly as possible to prevent spoilage. Cherries are highly perishable and can begin to degrade within hours if not kept cool. To address this, most cherry farms have on-site hydro-cooling stations where the freshly harvested cherries are rapidly chilled using cold water. This reduces the field heat and extends shelf life. Once cooled, cherries are loaded onto refrigerated trucks for transport to processing plants or packing facilities. These trucks maintain a consistent temperature of around 32 degrees to 0 degrees to ensure the fruit arrives in peak condition. Transportation logistics are crucial in the cherry industry. Given the short shelf life of the fruit, delays in transportation can lead to significant losses. In some cases, cherries are transported hundreds of miles from the orchard to processing plants. Sophisticated tracking systems and real-time monitoring are used to maintain temperature control and ensure timely delivery. Whether destined for fresh consumption or industrial processing, the cherries are handled with care throughout this journey. Processing sweet cherries for fresh market. For cherries meant to be sold fresh in supermarkets, the journey continues at packing houses equipped with advanced machinery and automation. Here, cherries are dumped into gentle water flumes that separate them from stems, leaves, and debris, while simultaneously cleaning them. This step is essential for both hygiene and appearance. The cherries are then dried and transported via conveyor belts to a series of optical sorting machines equipped with cameras and sensors. These machines evaluate each cherry for size, color, shape, and defects. Defective or damaged cherries are automatically rejected or sent to a separate line for juice or processing. The good quality cherries are then sorted by grade and size and packed into plastic clamshells, boxes, or crates depending on their destination. Labels are added with barcodes, origin information, and quality grades. In large-scale packing facilities, this entire process is streamlined and can handle tens of thousands of cherries per hour with very minimal human intervention. Once packed, the cherries are loaded back into refrigerated storage and prepared for distribution to supermarkets, export hubs, or online delivery services. The future of cherry farming in the U.S. lies in sustainability, innovation, and global expansion. Many cherry growers are adopting environmentally friendly practices, such as reducing pesticide use through integrated pest management, improving water efficiency with drip irrigation, and investing in solar-powered equipment. Organic cherry farming is also gaining popularity, though it remains a niche due to the challenges of pest control. Researchers are developing new cherry varieties that are more durable, taste better, and can withstand climate challenges. These new cultivars aim to extend the growing season, improve resistance to cracking, and allow for more consistent yields. Export markets will continue to play a key role. As international demand for high-quality cherries grows, U.S. farmers are enhancing their cold chain logistics, investing in faster shipping, and adopting advanced packaging to maintain freshness during transit. By combining tradition with technology, the cherry industry in America is poised for continued success. The journey of a cherry from the orchard to your table is an extraordinary process that involves thousands of hands, countless hours, and cutting-edge technology. Every year, millions of tons of cherries are harvested and processed across the United States with incredible precision and care. From pollination to pruning, hand-picking to mechanical shaking, hydro-cooling to optical sorting, and juicing to packaging, each stage is a testament to the dedication of American farmers and processors. As the industry continues to innovate and adapt, cherries will remain a shining example of how tradition and technology can come together to feed the world, one sweet bite at a time. So that's it for today. If you like this video, then please hit the like and subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching.